Golf Charlie India, runway 22, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, runway 22, Golf Charlie India.
Golf Charlie India, runway 22, clear for takeoff, surface wind 250 degrees, 15 knots.
Clear for takeoff, runway 22, Golf Charlie India, thank you. Windsock. Clear now.
We're over towards over there, anyway.
Yeah. Hey, 300 feet after takeoff checks. Start up. Speed. Pressure on. T's and P's are all good and in the green. So right turn.
Golf Charlie India, contact Hawarden radar 123.350, bye-bye.
Hawarden radio 123.305, Golf Charlie India, thank you.
Golf Charlie India, that's for Hawarden radar, and the frequency 123.350.
Hawarden radar 123.350, Golf Charlie India. Let's say hi. Hawarden radar, Golf Uniform Foxtrot Charlie India, request basic service.
Golf Uniform Foxtrot Charlie India, Hawarden radar, basic service, Hawarden QNH 1008.
QNH 1008, basic service, and like to activate our flight plan back to Newton Arts. Golf Uniform Foxtrot Charlie India.
Golf Charlie India, AFM.
Okay, so direct to the man. now a little bit better than when we came in. Hopefully that front was moving that way and it'll have just skipped the man as well.
So we're going to go around behind it, right?
That's what I'm hoping, yeah. Okay, so our next frequency will probably be...
Charlie India, which agency are you expecting to speak to next?
We spoke to on the way in. Golf Charlie India, we're routing along the coast to Bangor before heading to across the Isle of Man. Could you provide frequency, please?
Charlie India, Roger, if you're routing along the coast towards Bangor, then it's probably worth speaking to Valley once you've actually turned around the point of air.
Wilco will change to Valley at the point of air, 125.225, is that correct?
Charlie India, what I'll do is I'll stay with you as long as we can, but if we do lose RT contact, if you could squawk 7000 and then free call Valley.
Okay, we'll squawk 7000 at point of air and free call Valley, 125.225. Golf Charlie India. I think it was. Decimal 225. I can actually see on horizon now.
Oh. Yeah, you know that ship I said was on land? Yeah. The tide's come in now, look. It looks like it's abandoned. Explain to me about the squawk box. I didn't quite follow that.
That's your say squawk, it's giving you the number, which is 4601,
right.
And that comes up on their screen, their radar screen.
Ah, okay.
We got a wee bit of choppiness the last time.
A nice picture of the shadow of the plane on the water down here. I can get that.
pedals there.
Sorry.
It looks like it was abandoned and then the sea just got of it.
Yeah. This must be the Isle of Man ferry.
Hawarden radar, Golf Uniform Foxtrot Charlie, India, over the point of air, changing frequency to Valley radar 125.225.
Golf Charlie India, Roger, Squawk 7000, free call Valley, the frequency is correct, Holyhead pressure if required, 1001.
1001, Squawk 7000, and free call Valley radar 125.225, thank you.
No problem at all, thank you.
Look at that wind farm out there.
Yeah. Oh, and 5. It's quite impressive.
It is.
Right, let's call Valley radar. Valley radar, Golf Uniform Foxtrot Charlie, India, request basic service.
One 4 knots, visibility.
Valley radar, Golf Uniform Foxtrot Charlie, India, request basic service. Will they hear us?
Same problem as last time.
Yeah.
You had to go up to about just under 2 feet last time.
Yeah. Get out of the controlled airspace here, just Valley radar, Golf Uniform Foxtrot, Charlie India, request basic service.
Golf Uniform Foxtrot, India Sierra, Valley radar, good afternoon, pass your message.
Golf Uniform Foxtrot, Charlie India, Cessna 172, 2 persons on board, routing from Hawarden to Newton Ards via the Isle of Man, currently 3 nautical miles west of Prestatyn, request basic service.
Golf Charlie India, basic service, Holyhead 1001, request your routing.
QNH 1001, Golf Charlie India.
Golf Charlie India, you routing direct to the Isle of Man.
We are heading towards Colwyn Bay, then we are to Bangor, and then routing to the Isle of Man via Almswich. Golf Charlie India.
Golf Charlie India, roger.
How gusty it is, these days aren't moving at all.
Right.
Considering how the wind, they're hardly turning these things. Yeah, out at sea they would be turning away like mad.
Yeah, there's only 1 or 2 turning.
Yeah.
You must be able to feather them around so that turns them on and off.
I still think they're a waste of money because you can't store the electricity.
Yeah.
No batteries.
Very slower going back, our ground speed's only 80 knots.
Are we flying into the wind?
Yeah.
Should be quicker when you make your turn to Isle of Man then.
A little bit, but it'll be pushing us.
this is where we pick up our little bit of turbulence again. Little bit hazy up at this height. Does seem better. What's the theory? If there's no sort of gusty levels, you know, I mean, the higher you go, the better, or
Just different layers. So you could climb a bit more, it'll be gusty, climb a bit more, it'll be fine, climb again, it'll be gusty.
was there any forecast for high? Because we're what, 3,200 feet, right?
We're about 3,000 feet at the minute. So it's just rolling off this high ground because it's coming this way as well, so it'll be rolling off and hitting us. So I'm sort of going to route over this way a wee bit now rather than follow the coast round just to keep us away from it. To try and reduce the choppiness.
The ground visibility is very good.
It's just a wee bit hazy up at this height. 28 knots ground speed.
How do you know how to adjust the mixture to lean?
You're looking at increasing the ease until the revs start to drop, and then whenever the revs start to drop, just screwing it back in a little touch.
Does that help your consumption?
Yeah. And just keeps the engine running, right?
The theory is it needs less oxygen up here?
You're just leaning it off, because whenever you're taking off, you're fully, rich.
Right.
And, you don't need it that rich whenever you're in cruise.
That's Anglesey ahead.
Bangor down there.
Right, so that's where I catch the ferry from then. Yeah. Holyhead.
Basically we want to head over to there, but what we'll do is we'll just round the coast just to keep us sort of to the coastline.
It reminds you that the world is 75% water.
Yeah, when you see it like this.
Yeah.
So you wouldn't think that if you're flying over the States or somewhere like that.
Oh, well, that's true.
Climb up a little bit. Looks like about 3,000 feet is going to be our limit with these wee clouds here. We'll see what we can get when we head out towards the Isle of Man.
seems to be less cloud over to the right.
Yeah.
You found a calm spot here.
That's nice. Spoke too soon.
Yep.
What we'll do is we'll intercept this line and then we can reset this, the Isle of Man. Before, whenever we're coming in here, we probably wouldn't have seen that ship.
Oh. I don't think we really even see much of this either.
Yeah. A wee speedboat down there doing like circles and then heading out.
It looks pretty good down there, the weather-wise. Is there anything that tells you your temperature here?
Probably, but I don't know where. I know in the old one, on the other type where it is. I'm not too sure where. Oh, outside air temperature 10 degrees. Here, we're at 10 degrees.
So probably about 18, 19 down there. Tanker's not moving. They're just waiting. The port charges are very high, so unless they're absolutely sure of unloading, they don't go in.
Until they're ready.
But I can tell you in Liverpool it's £10,000 a day.
Park there?
Very expensive parking.
Yeah.
They like to go in and out.
They just wait out there until they get a call saying, right, be or 12 o'clock tomorrow to unload.
That's right. They call waiting in the roads. I used to charter ship for steel.
Yeah. We're nearly ready to
make the turn.
Okay. We'll wait until we pick up this line and then we'll make the turn. I'm gonna call and tell them. Valley radar, Golf Uniform Foxtrot Charlie India, overhead Almwich and routing towards Newtonards via the Isle of Man.
Golf Charlie India, roger.
Actually see the Isle of Man, but presuming that those ferries going that way, that's the rough direction.
Right, yeah, 3 of them. Well, all have come from Liverpool, probably.
Yeah. This is Almswich now, so...
Valley radar, Golf Alpha Tango November Lima, close base service. Golf Alpha Tango November Lima, Valley radar, good afternoon, pass your message. Golf Alpha Tango November Lima is Cessna 150 from Lambetter, local area flight, request basic service. Golf November Lima basic service, Holyhead 1001. 1001 basic service, Golf November Lima. Golf November Lima, Squawk 7000. Golf November Lima, Squawking 7000.
Golf Uniform Foxtrot Charlie India, coasting out.
Golf Charlie India, roger.